Why choose Mediterranean diet lunches?
Mediterranean diet lunches are packed with fresh vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These meals not only taste delicious, but also support heart health and overall wellness. Research shows that this eating pattern may help lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and improve blood pressure. Ready for easy, flavorful midday meals? Here are 3 nutritious Mediterranean lunch options to try.
Option 1. Greek chickpea salad.
Greek chickpea salad is a quick fiber-rich option featuring cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, feta cheese, and olives. Tossed with olive oil and lemon juice, this salad delivers protein, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Chickpeas add plant-based protein that supports heart health. Enjoy this vibrant dish alone or wrapped in whole grain pita for a satisfying and refreshing lunch.
Option 2. Grilled salmon and quinoa bowl.
A grilled salmon and quinoa bowl is both filling and heart-friendly. Salmon provides omega-3 fatty acids that may reduce the risk of heart disease. Combine flaky salmon with cooked quinoa, roasted vegetables like zucchini and bell peppers, and a drizzle of olive oil. This meal is balanced, nutrient-dense, and perfect for boosting midday energy and supporting cardiovascular health.
Option 3. Lentil soup with spinach and lemon.
Lentil soup with spinach and lemon is cozy, easy to prepare, and rich in plant-based nutrients. Lentils are an excellent source of fiber and protein, while spinach brings in essential vitamins and minerals. A squeeze of lemon brightens the flavor and adds vitamin C. Pair with crusty whole grain bread for a wholesome lunch that supports a healthy heart.
Simple habits for heart-healthy lunches.
Choosing Mediterranean-inspired lunches is a delicious way to care for your heart. Try to include a mix of colorful vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats at each meal. Keep your lunches simple, fresh, and satisfying. With these 3 recipes, you can enjoy flavorful meals that support heart health and make lunchtime something to look forward to.